So we had few questions about things that how do you connect to the server remotely. So I have explained it in my videos. For you again, you go to Google and download this MobaXterm, right? Able to see the website. Okay, here you go this MobaXterm, mobatech.net, and then go to download. And you download this free version. Free version, home edition, right? Once it's downloaded, you can just install it. It has two download types. One is portable, and that you do not need to install, like this one. So installer edition, and this is portable edition. It's up to you which one you want to download. I would recommend you go for this one, this MobaXterm edition installer one, and then you install it. It's a very simple. Just open it once it's downloaded, and then click next, and then it will be installed. Once it's installed, you open the MobaXterm, right? And then you go to the sessions, and then click on SSH. Here you will enter the IP address of your server, right? And then you will click specify username, and here you will enter a root. But in most of the VPSs or most of the servers, root is by default not allowed. To SSH, right? So what we are going to do, I will show you. I have a username. I have a server like this, and I have a username Saffron, right? And I will connect it on a default port 22, and once I am connected, then I will show you how to enable a root exit. So here you should be connected. Okay, now we are connected to the server, right? So what you have to do is to just type sudo sudo vi etc sh and ss config, and then it will ask you the password of the current user that you already have, and then you should in this file you should search this value. It is calling, it says PermitRootLogin prohibit, right? It is commented. So what you have to do is just I don't know which text editor you use. I use this VI editor. Just press I on the keyboard. Press I on the keyboard, and you will see over here it will start say insert. It means that now you are in a position to enter the text. You will write PERMIT root login like this, and then type yes, and then press escape button on your keyboard. Insert should be gone, and then press shift and colon like this, right? Like this, and then WQ and sign of exclamation. This, like this, and hit enter. So it's saved, right? The thing that you edited, it is saved. You can see that, right? So now sudo systemctl restart sshd. Sudo systemctl restart sshd, and then enter. So now you just exit from this one, right? And then you create another connection SSH session, and then you enter the root. Now we should be able to access with root. So this script, it needs you to be the root, logged in as root. So you have to be logged in as root. In order to enable the root, I showed you how you can enable that. Once it's done, now our next task is to change the default port, right? To change the default port of SSH. So to do that, we go over here, vi, right? Now you don't have to use the sudo. Why? Because now you are the root. You go vi etc sshd.config. You see over here it mentions the port 222. It is implemented because it's the default, right? Here you will type port 6212, right? I entered this port. Now again you enter the colon W2 and sign of exclamation and then hit enter, and then again you restart SSH service, right? Once SSH service is restarted, so okay, now we are restarted. So we will exit, and if we try to connect with default port, it won't allow us. The connection is refused. So we go over here, change the port. It was 6221. I am not wrong. There you are logged in.